Today we continue our series on dog care and breed-specific treatments, and this time we're focusing on a small but incredibly spirited companion, the Yorkshire Terrier. Loved all around the world for their expressive eyes, silky coat, and bold little attitude, Yorkies may be tiny in size, but they require a surprisingly detailed level of care. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know, from coat maintenance and skin care to diet, behavior, health concerns, and daily routines. By the end, you'll be fully prepared to provide your Yorkshire Terrier with a long, comfortable, and happy life by your side. Let's begin with the Yorkie's most iconic feature, the coat. Their hair is long, silky, and similar to human hair, meaning it grows constantly and needs daily brushing to stay healthy. Without consistent grooming, knots and mats form quickly, causing discomfort and even skin irritation. A pin brush is ideal for daily grooming, and using a light conditioning spray helps prevent breakage. Baths every 2 to 3 weeks with a gentle shampoo are ideal. Some owners prefer the puppy cut, a short and practical style that makes maintenance easy, while others choose to keep the full show-style long coat. In either case, daily cleaning around the eyes is essential to prevent tear staining, and the fringe should be tied back to avoid irritation. Another crucial area is nutrition and digestion. Yorkshire Terriers have delicate stomachs and are prone to hypoglycemia, especially as puppies. They should eat several small meals throughout the day. High-quality food tailored for toy breeds is important, with kibbles small enough for their tiny jaws. Avoid abrupt changes in diet, and always ensure fresh water is available. Yorkies can be surprisingly picky drinkers. Healthy treats such as safe fruits or dental snacks can complement the diet, but moderation is key due to their small size. Dental care is absolutely essential for this breed. Yorkies are highly prone to tartar, gum disease, and early tooth loss, so brushing their teeth daily, or at least several times per week, is non-negotiable. Use dog-safe toothpaste and regular vet checkups to keep dental issues under control. Physically, Yorkies are delicate and can injure themselves easily from falls or rough play. Teaching your dog to use ramps to get on and off furniture can prevent unnecessary strain on their knees and spine. Behaviorally, the Yorkshire Terrier is alert, intelligent, and confident. They're known for being vocal and protective, often barking at any unusual sound or movement. Early training, socialization, and positive reinforcement are crucial to prevent excessive barking. Yorkies form strong attachments to their owners and can develop separation anxiety, so it's important to encourage independent behavior in small, intentional steps. Despite their size, they have plenty of energy. Daily walks, play sessions, and mental stimulation such as puzzles or trick training are excellent ways to keep them balanced and happy. Lastly, let's talk about overall health. Yorkshire Terriers can be predisposed to conditions such as patellar luxation, tracheal collapse, eye disorders, and skin allergies. Regular veterinary checkups, vaccinations, parasite prevention, and annual examinations are essential. Maintaining a healthy weight is also critical. Even small fluctuations can strain their tiny joints. With consistent care, proper grooming, good nutrition, and regular veterinary attention, your Yorkshire Terrier can enjoy a long, vibrant, and joyful life, full of personality and affection.